right, y'all, so it's so crazy like I'm doing this, but we're gonna take a pregnancy test now. I'll give y'all a backstory. So basically I took like, I'm nervous, but basically I took an HCG pregnancy test. So basically it just detects the pregnancy levels. So it's still pregnancy test, but it detects the levels. It came out positive. Like I literally took the test like one day after my missed period and it came out positive. I took it and that was May 17th. So I took it again. It just for sure, so I know I'll get the digital pregnancy test. So I got the Clear Blue. And yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm like kind of into now, I guess, like I'm pregnant. It's so crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna take it and we're gonna see what's happening. And I'm sorry if it's like a little, the footage and stuff is like a little crazy because I'm on my camera. I'm on my phone, not my camera. So I'm gonna take the test and I guess kind of like just for sure confirm it. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna basically wait and see. My heart is like racing right now. Oh my God, it's basically there. Let's see. Oh my God, I'm pregnant. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm like pregnant. I'm so I can't even think of how I feel. Like I basically cry. Like it's literally hit me that I am for real pregnant. And oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna keep y'all along with me on this journey and just let y'all know everything that I'm going through and how it is. It's so crazy. It's so scary because I'm like literally just figuring everything out in my life. But I mean, it's a blessing and everything happens for a reason. So yeah, I guess I'll show y'all a little more when I go to like ultrasound or whatever. But yeah, I am for real pregnant and it's crazy. So yes, that's it for now. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright guys, we are gonna find out. Hold on, camera's dirty. We're gonna find out the gender. But I don't think I'm gonna find out the gender, so I'm gonna show y'all everything that's about to happen. So stay tuned.
Hey little one, look at that hand right there. And look at that heartbeat right over there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You're moving around all over. Right now the baby's the size of a lemon, 14 weeks. They're tiny, okay? But I want to get you something nice. And when I'm up to the gender, you'll cover your eyes. Beautiful heartbeat. Strong heartbeat. Awesome. Look at that whole body fit the screen. You see the whole body there, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
This is the 3D, and I have the new machine. This is HD. Do you see that whole body right there? This will be the last time you will see that whole body fit the screen. Because once the baby gets bigger, you can't get that whole body picture anymore. Look how much it's wiggling and moving. Hi.
Aww.
Are you waving?
Was that
Look
an
at his
arm?
little hand. Yeah. What do you have at home?
I have 2 boys.
How fast this baby's moving. You see it? Hi, little one. Both arms up. Can you see it? One arm here,
I
one
can
arm
see
here.
it.
Beautiful. Do you see it like this at the doctor's or not really?
Well, I haven't been back for ultrasound since 8 weeks.
So very early you went.
Yeah. I can see the arm.
Mm-hmm. Remember, they're still developing. The skin is still see-through. They're tiny, but you can see it. You see the chin?
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
You see a lot of the features.
Mm-hmm. Look at those fingers. High five. Isn't that incredible? It's really waving.
That's the arm?
Yeah, the hand. Now the hand is in the mouth right here. Can you see it? Oh,
Yeah.
now it's over the head. You are everywhere. Where do you think you're going? Now it turned around. You see the spine?
Yeah.
Amazing. Technology, right? Even the black and white that people see here, they say, Nagina, we don't even see it like this at our doctors, you know?
You see so much.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's the long arm over the head there. What do you think you're doing? You are everywhere. Mm-hmm. the little face coming around. Wait, turn back. Did you just see that?
Yeah.
Where do you think they're going? You're gonna have all these little videos, okay?
This baby is active.
Very. Look at that hand.
Aw.
See the fingers?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mom, close your eyes.
Wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty.